If you do any type of woodworking, refinishing, or small repairs around the house, a good set of sanding pads is essential. This 90-piece detail sander sandpaper kit really delivers. What you're getting here are mouse, rectangle, and finger sanding pads with pre-cut holes for dust extraction, and they attach with hook and loop, so swapping them out is quick and easy. That's a big plus because it keeps the workflow smooth. You're not fighting with the tool, you're just sanding. The kit comes with an assortment of grits, 60, 80, 120, and 240. The 60 and 80 grits pads are great for heavy material removal, like stripping old finishes or knocking down rough edges. Then you've got the 120s, which work well for smoothing things out, and finally the 240s for finishing touches, giving you that nice polished surface before staining or painting. I really like the variety and shapes too. The mouse pads cover broader surfaces, the rectangular pads fit standard palm sanders, and the finger attachments let you get into those tight corners and narrow spots that are usually a pain. That makes this kit super versatile, whether you're working on furniture, trim, doors, or even metal projects. Durability-wise, the grit holds up well. Obviously, like any sandpaper, it wears down over time, but I found that each sheet lasts through a reasonable amount of work before needing to be swapped. For a 90-piece kit at this price, you're getting a lot of mileage. Overall, this is a well-rounded set that keeps you prepared for just about any sanding job you'll run into.